Hello and welcome to ProItech Solutions. In today's video, we'll continue our series on cybersecurity by showing you how to verify a phishing email sent by an attacker. I'll open Thunderbird to view my emails. Inside my inbox, there's a new email with the subject Important Account Update. This is the phishing email that I sent earlier using a virtual machine as the attacker. I'll open the message, and as you can see, there's a link under the word Update. If you click this link without verifying the sender, your account information, including your email, username, and password, can be stolen and sold on the dark web for ransom. I'll click on the Update link to show you what happens. When I click it, the link takes me to a browser, and a file is downloaded. After the download is complete, I'll extract the file and run the application payload as an administrator. As you can see, something is loading in the background. I'll wait for a few seconds to allow the collection of information. Once that's done, I'll log out of the user account and log in as the attacker on my Kali Linux virtual machine. I'll return to the terminal I used to send the attack. I'll type sessions and press enter, followed by sessions-I1 to view the information under session ID number 1 from the list. By typing sysinfo, I can view the system information. I'll also type getuid to reveal the username of the compromised account. There are more commands available, which can be viewed by typing help. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something valuable today. Please like and subscribe.